Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sumana Sengupta and you are watching a video where I'll show you what all are the gifts that I got for my birthday. So as you can see, this whole table is filled with all those gifts and I'm just so grateful for my family members and my friends for giving all this. This is a lot and I can't express my gratitude towards you all. So love you all so much. Thanks for all the wishes and the gifts and everything. Okay, now without any further ado, let's begin with this video. So first up, I'll just start from this side, then I'll go to this side. So first thing is this gift given by one of my best friends. That is these earrings and this kurti set. She also gifted me a chocolate, dark chocolate, and I just love this kurti so much. I even told her that this kind of earrings have attracted me from a long time, and I didn't buy it, but now I have one, and all of this is because of her. So thanks a lot, Radhika. Thank you. Now moving on to the second one. This is a very beautiful school bag. This is the school bag, and I think this is so pretty, and also it has so much of space that I can easily carry it to school, and whenever the school reopens I can easily use this, and I just love this bag so much. This is given by my uncle and this is so pretty. Thank you. Moving on to the next thing. This is the next thing. Actually, this also has a lot of things inside. So first of all, this is given by my grandma. It's a fast track watch. It has black and blue straps, just like my favorite. Two of my most favorite colors together. And I'll surely wear this to gym. I mean, I've been waiting for a watch because I don't have any fit watch to wear to gym, and now I have it, so I'll use it every day at gym. This is so pretty. So moving on to the next thing. Now my mom knows how much I love makeup, and that is why she gifted me this pretty Maybelline eyeshadow palette. Whoa. And just look at the colors. I love doing neutral shade makeup, and natural makeup is just my favorite, and this palette would help me so much in that. I'm gonna use this palette throughout the day today and also for my future shoots and everything. This is just so nice. Thank you. The next thing up is this makeup pouch. This is aqua green in color and this is so pretty. I can keep all my makeup in this. Till now I have been keeping all my makeup in big boxes, but now I can keep it in an organized place like this. So this is very helpful for that. Okay, so now this side is somebody very special to me. I have already told you about my little baby in my last video, but let's give you a tour once more. So this is my little baby Brandon. His name is Brandon, and I'm so grateful for him. This is so he just means so much to me. I'll show you how my little baby looks. And this, it has been a dream for so long that having him in my hands, I mean, I have had him in my hands for almost 1 month, but having him in my hands feels so unreal even now. So I'm just so shook. I did not realize that my dad would buy me this. I was very much confused, but then he did buy me this, and this is so nice. So meet my favorite person on the entire world, Brandon. Daniel is just so pretty, and he is a Canon 1500D if you want to buy under DSLRs. And I think this is like for beginners, this is one of the best DSLRs. So if you want to buy a DSLR, please do go for this. This is amazing, does a great job. I've taken him on trips, I've taken him out for the Durga Puja also, and he has done such great job here. So if you want to buy a camera, then go for this one for sure. Okay, so moving on to the next thing is this giant humongous box, which is a dining kit. So I have all my spoons and glasses and everything, cute and spoons. Then you have glasses. You have these glasses, and then you have plates. So all of this is also so helpful. I can use this while having my lunch and dinner and breakfast. So there is that. Now moving on to the thing over here. This is, in Bengali we call this torto, like these kind of boxes with decorations. We call it torto, and it like my mom did so much for my birthday. It feels like it's my marriage. Like these kind of tortos are used in marriages, right? So I was like, am I getting married that you're doing this? But that is the first torto that has a lot of lipsticks, a lot of chocolates and all. And the lipstick shades are so pretty. Like there's this nude shade, there's this maroon dark chocolate. This is like a pink color, bold pink color. And this is the Melt liquid lip color. All of this is just so pretty. I'm gonna use it today. From today, it's like this will be started. Okay, so that is this one. Now moving on to another very beautiful gift that my grandma gave me. That is these little earrings. This is like gold earrings, and this is just so pretty. I mean, I am more into huge sized earrings. I don't quite often like small delicate ones, but this one is so pretty. I mean, I'm sure this is perhaps one of the best cute little earrings I've ever seen. So this is just so pretty. I love it. Okay, so this one is basically a transparent bag. Now in our school we are not allowed to take opaque bags during exams. So I usually use that one pencil box only during exams and during school. So if we have to take transparent, then I take transparent only to school. So that is why this my mom has brought, and this is like a transparent case. Which is so pretty. So I want to use it at school, at home also. So yeah. Now to the next one. This is a very beautiful fossil sunglass, and if you all know, I have never said this in my videos, but I am obsessed with sunglasses. I love them. Not taking off the wrappers here. So that's how it looks. I am obsessed with sunglasses. I just love them so much. I think that adds so much of a statement to your outfit. It's just sunglasses means a lot to me, and this one is just so pretty. I love it. Now moving on to the next one is this. Now this, I know a lot of you cannot identify what this is at all. So this is basically a very beautiful mirror. Do you see this? And here you have a compartment to keep all of your makeup goodies and everything. You can do that. And this also has light, but you have to put it in a electric wire. Then we can see the lights. I'm not on it now. But this is so portable, so handy. I can take it anywhere I want and I can use it as I wish. And this is pretty. I have nothing else to say. I just love all the gifts. And yeah. Now moving on to the next beautiful gift, that is this one. This is a very beautiful purse, and this has zebra print. Now in my last video I have already shown you that I am pairing this as an accessory with my night outfit, that is the black, beautiful gorgeous black outfit inspired by Hailey Bieber. And so Hailey took this kind of a zebra bag with her. So I was like, I want something with zebra print. So my mom brought me this. This is so pretty. I love these kinds of, designer bags and all. And this is a clutch, and this is my first clutch. I'm so happy. So now moving on to the next beautiful thing is another big, giant, humongous cupcake. So this has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This has 10 nail polishes. Can you believe this? 10 whole nail polishes. And oh my god, all of these colors are so gorgeous. I love it so much. And yeah, not gonna open it right now, but I will soon. Okay, so the next gift is this big tent. So this is like the original tents which you have to make and all. And I would surely take it to picnics. I mean, I'm so excited for picnics now. Let's go to Ecobar. I mean, go listen picnic, right? I'm so excited for that. So I can take this with me. And also to Puri, if you want to relax in a sea beach, you can take this. This is very handy and so beautiful. I just love this so much. Moving on to this, another huge cupcake. I'll just open it now so that I can show you better. Okay, so inside this little cupcake we have this very beautiful tiffin box. Let me show you. So in this I can basically take my Carrefour tiffin, that is, fruits and all. So this would be amazing for that, and also for my school lunch, because now if the school opens then we'll have to have dry fruits, like nothing like curries and stuff. We cannot take that. So maybe I can take my roti and all those in here. So this would be very handy for that. And then we have 2 pretty little bottles which says positive vibes only. Yes, 100% agree. We need positive vibes all the time. So these are 2, one for school, one for gym. So yeah. Now moving on to the next one is this beautiful card that my mom made. This, I won't read out the note because I think that's personal, but just look at the card. It's so pretty. All of these pictures. This is just so nice. This has to be one of my favorite gifts. Like, from all of this has to be one of my favorites. So yeah, love this. Now moving on to another giant humongous cupcake. If you guys know, I love journaling. I've been journaling for more than a year now, and writing down all my thoughts and what I feel in that quiet moment helped me a lot in my own mental health. And so I do not want to stop journaling or writing diaries and notes ever. This has to be one of my favorite activities throughout my day. And so my parents gifted me these 3 little journals. This also I'll show you after unboxing. These are the journals that I have been talking about. There are 3 of them. So this is one which says every day is a fresh start, that I also truly believe in. The next one says happy is the new perfect. Of course, it is so important to be happy, and being happy is perfect itself. The next one says think positive, network well, exercise daily, eat healthy, work hard, stay strong, build faith, Worry less, read more, be happy, volunteer freely, relax often, love always, live forever. This is so meaningful. I love all of the three journals so much. I'm going to use it soon enough. And this is the little pen. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Oh my god. This is amazing. So now that this is done, moving on to our last little top talk. Let's do it. So this is the last and final top which we have. This is how it looks. Let's do it unboxing first and then I'll show you. Okay, so for the next gift we have okay, so for the next gift we have another of my new favorites, which is this beautiful Bruce Lee cup. Oh my god, I'm gonna use this like every day from now. My mom gives me all those, weird mixture of pudina and lemon and all those. I hate having those. But if she gives that in this cup, I will have like 5 liters to 10 liters of that. I have no problem. If you give this on this. Okay? So I promise that I'll have it if you give this in this because Bruce Lee, oh my god. This is so nice. Thank you so much. And also coincidentally our outfits match right now. See? The cup and me. The next one is all of these little bowls and these for having, I don't know, soup, I guess. And also dark chocolates, my love. I love dark chocolates. If you give me dark chocolates, you have my hand. Yeah. And also these little toffees and all. Hey guys, so this is part 2 of that same video. So right now I'm gonna show you all my after birthday gifts, like what I got after my birthday. This one dairy milk that my maths and chemistry tuition teacher gave me, and thank you so much sir. I have actually had so much of this, only one piece is left. Like the whole packet is like empty. I've had so much of chocolates, but yeah. So moving on to the next one. The next one is dark chocolates. Oh my god, thank you Snata so much for this dark chocolate. As I said, I love dark chocolates. Like I have this strange thing for dark chocolates that like whenever I see them I'm like, can I please have one? And also my gym trainer allowed me to have dark chocolates every day. Like he allowed to have 1 to 2 pieces per day. I'm like, oh my god, yes, I'm saved. I can have dark chocolate every time now. And like my whole fridge is filled with dark chocolates right now. So thank you Snata. Next gift that I have. Okay, let's open this first. This is given by my uncle. So yeah, let's see. I'm excited. This is how the packaging looks like. Oh my god. Like I've already seen all the gifts, but I'm like so excited about it. I don't know. So this is the gift. Let's open it. Whoa, it's a very pretty watch. Wait, let me show you. Like I've even changed the wallpaper and all. I was like exploring the whole thing. This is kind of like the wallpaper. Now don't judge my wallpaper, okay? This is like an edit I did for me and Bruce Lee. So I was so proud of this edit that I thought like this would be the thing. So let me wear the watch. So this is kind of how the watch looks on me. Guys, comment down below how this watch looks on me. I love this color. Oh my god. It's like a very peachy pinkish color with a rose gold type thing going on, and I just love this one so much. And we have like I go on trips a lot and I love beaches, so we're gonna go to a beach place real soon. Not gonna like tell you everything right now, but we are gonna go to a beach place very soon. And yeah, I'm gonna take this with me. This is so pretty, and this is my first, like, I don't usually wear like rectangular shaped like watches. I don't have those many, but like this is one of my first rectangular shaped watches, and I actually love this one so much. So thank you so much, Papu. Love you. Okay, so this is the next gift. So first of all, let's open it up. This is also given by my uncle. This is a duopod. I mean, oh my god. First of all, if you guys know me from a long time, you know how much I love the color blue. Like, I just love blue. I'm like obsessed with the color. Anything in blue is my fave thing. So this is the duopod, and when you open this, that's the thing. Let me just like that is the thing. And you know what I love about these earpods and earpods is that you don't have the wires, so you don't have to spend like hours and hours just to untangle that. So for that, this is very handy, and so I love this. Thank you. Okay, so the last gift for the day is this one. So first of all, I like unbox it a little bit. There's a very pretty box. This box is so pretty. Do you see this? 1, 2, 3. Let's open. Wow. It's a very pretty cup. Like, see, it has my name on it. That's so pretty. And you know, I use it when I have my breakfast for sure. This is so pretty. I just love this so much. Thank you so much for this pretty little cup. I just love it. So that was my whole birthday gifts and everything. I just loved them so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye.